Pretty. And the wind takes it. It's raining. And it's windy. The tree over there is blowing hard. Holy cow, it's windy. It's about to blow me over. We already seen an ambulance and a fire truck. Our basketball hoop is gonna blow over. We better lay it down. Sorry. Man, the wind is making me so nervous though. The wind is blowing those sparks halfway down the road though. Those sparks are making it all the way down to the grass and hitting us. It'll shut off. Oh, so pretty, but it still makes me nervous. The wind. So many people. Oh my gosh. At least I won't be responsible for causing a fire. Look how windy it is. I'm sorry. That just makes me so nervous. So, we're not even lightning right now with the wind. But hopefully everybody enjoys theirs. Like, see how that blows and the wind just pulls it? That, oh man. The sparks travel. You can hear another fire engine. There's probably another fire somewhere. We're just gonna watch everybody else's and enjoy the day and hope no fires happen to our neighborhood.
Oh, did you see the lightning over here?
Yeah, but I'm trying to record.
Everybody's like, it's the 4th of July, we're gonna do fireworks. And God said, hold my beer.
I'll do some fireworks. Oh my gosh, look at those ones, babe. The wind is taking over those. They're like flying fish.
Those things worry me as if they're in the snow.
Yeah.
They worry you what?
They worry him except in the snow.
I saved those ones for
It's craziness. All the smoke is making my throat burn. I can't hardly breathe. It's all the smoke. Thank you. It just seeing them drift with the wind makes me nervous. I'm just like, oh, please don't drift this way. Please don't drift this way. So,
That was cool.
it was way cool.
There was some of it, I think.
Whoa! And then God. Boom! God's lightning. Are they single shots? Yeah, I'm like, only one goes up.
There goes the airplane.
Yep, check in to see if there's any fires anywhere.
I'm surprised they're going up with lightning and thunder.
Yeah, they fly around the weather. I wonder what they think of all the fireworks that they fly. Did you get hit with the raindrop? I did too. I wasn't sure if it was a raindrop or shrapnel.
It was black.
Oh, good. Neighbor's got some good fireworks. These are above my head. Nice. So nice. Oh man, the car better wait. Holy cow, can I get them both? Dang. Woohoo! Man, over there, way out there. And I know Cody wants to like do sparklers or something, but her toes hurting and she can just do them tomorrow and hopefully it won't be so windy.
Yeah, I don't like that one.
I know there's kids out there with sparklers. man, they shoot off sparks of fire. And,
Yeah.
and it's windy.
Yeah.
And I worry that she'll get burnt. And so I'd rather wait till it's not windy. And I think you could probably do sparklers any day.
Yeah.